Good morning. Um, I just wanted to show you how to do this. If you were in our Zoom meeting on Thursday, I had talked about um, putting a calendar in our classroom to have a guess at when baby Brinka will be born. Okay, so it's going to be at the top of your screen here. Okay, you're going to click on it. Okay, there's going to be a video. Obviously, you're watching the video right now, but once you get into the assignment, okay, you're going to click on the Google Slides. Okay, and what we're going to do is you're going to guess when baby Brinka is going to be born. Okay, and not only are you going to pick a day that you think the baby's going to be born, but you're going to take a guess at how much you think she will weigh. Okay, so what you're going to do is we have a calendar here, the third slide. Make sure you're in the third slide. Okay, there's a calendar and there's little boxes on every single day. So we have Friday the 1st, Saturday the 2nd, Sunday the 3rd, and so on. Okay, so you're going to pick a day that you think baby Brinka will be born. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to, let's say that I think that she's going to be born on May 8th. I'm going to double click on that box. Okay, it's going to turn blue and it's going to have like a beeping black line right there. Okay, that means I can type now. You're going to put your name in there. Okay, so if you look there, I put my name, then you can hit enter, and then you're going to write down what you think she is going to weigh. So remember, LB stands for pounds, OZ stands for ounces. Okay, and remember, there's only 16 ounces in a pound, so you can't have like 7 pounds, 23 ounces. That's not correct. Okay, so let's say I say 6 pounds, so 6 lb, and let's say 15 ounces, because 15 is the highest number of ounces you can have. Because if I did 16 ounces, that would be the same thing as 7 pounds. Okay, so let's say that I think she's coming May 8th. She's going to weigh 6 pounds, 15 ounces. Okay, and that's all you have to do. Once you do that, you can X out and you're done. Okay, let's say the next person comes in and they say they want the 14th. Okay, what you're going to do is, again, double click on it, put your name, let's say Jessie, and then how much do you think she's going to weigh? Okay, let's say the third person comes in and they really wanted the 8th. Well, you can't have the 8th because somebody already has their name there. Okay, one of the biggest rules here is you can't change what anyone else wrote. Okay, so if somebody else picked the 8th, well, maybe you can find a date close to the 8th. Okay, so the 7th or the 9th. Okay, or if you wanted the 14th, maybe try the 15th or the 13th. Okay, pick a day that's close to the day that you wanted if your day is already taken. Okay, so there's an example page right here. Okay, I kind of showed you what it should look like. Don't write in this one. This is just an example. Okay, and this just tells you the directions. Okay, so go ahead and take your guess on what day you think baby Brinka is going to be born and how much you think she's going to weigh. I will pick 2 winners. Okay, so one winner will be whoever gets the day correct. That will be one winner. Okay, so let's say that she's born on May 14th. Well, then Jessie's going to be the winner for the day that she was born. And then the second winner will be whoever was closest to what she weighs. Okay, so let's say that she weighs 6 pounds, 15 ounces, or maybe she weighs 6 pounds, 13 ounces, and the closest was 6 pounds, 15 ounces. Well, then Mrs. Brinka would win. Okay, so, and the winners, I will send you something in the mail. Since I won't be able to see you, I'll send you a prize in the mail. Okay, so go ahead and take your guesses. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.